to my new subscribers. I've been getting a lot of new subscribers lately, so welcome and thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And to my old-time day one subscribers, I really appreciate you guys sticking with me so far. From the times when I make videos to the times when I don't make videos, I really appreciate it, so thank you. So moving right along, this video is going to be about lippies. I love a good lippie. I love lip products. I have a lot of lip products right back here. So I have in my makeup collection, which is not that big, but in my makeup collection I have more lip products than anything. So I recently picked up the LA Girl Flat Finish Pigment Gloss, and I got 3 of them. I got the color Stunner, I got Rebel, and I also got Black Currant. So these are the 3 colors that I wanted to get anyway. They had more, but I don't really care to get those colors. The colors that I typically tend to wear are more of the purpley shades or darkish colors like that. Those are the colors that I like. So I'm here to show you guys how it looks, especially on darker skin tones, how they wear. I love watching a good swatch video. I love it, especially lip swatches, love it. So therefore, I'm going to try to accomplish one and do one today. It's only 3 colors, so it shouldn't be that hard. Wait a minute, where's my wedding ring? Oh well, single today. Before I start swatching the lip colors, I just want to say a few things about them. I have worn all 3 of them already. And when I say these things are pigmented, a little bit surely goes a long way, and you will see that in the video. They are highly pigmented, and they last. They really last an entire day. What I mean, I put them on in the morning, I eat, I work, I drink, I talk, I eat some more, eat a lot more because I eat a lot, and they last the entire day. So I highly recommend them. At my beauty supply store, they were $2.99. They were only $3, so even better, a great steal. So I love the price point, and I got 3. I don't know if I'll get any of the other colors because I don't really care much for reds and I'm not really a reddish girl. Pinks sometimes, but purples are just my thing. So I got these 3, and the formulation is not the most moisturizing, but it's not too drying either, because I've had other matte lip glosses. For example, the Wet n Wild Mega Last liquid lip color. Didn't care much for the formula. It was just too, didn't care much for the formula, just too drying for me. So these ones are much better, not at all as drying as that. Could be better, but it is wearable. For the price point, it is very wearable. Very wearable, I tell you. Anyway, that's enough talking from me. Get ready for the swatches. Hope you guys like it. And thumbs up the video. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media networks at Kai Journey. And there's a lot of stuff in the description bar. Don't forget to check it out. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. First color we're going to try is Stunner. Really light purple. A little bit goes a long way. Trust. Ready? And this is how I apply it. Just on the bottom. And then I just tap it out. Tap it out. Tap it out. And that's basically how I apply it. That's about it. No more. This is enough for me. Usually I apply it with a liner, but this is just how it looks by itself without a liner. Yeah, but this is Stunner. And just to let you guys know, to remove it, I just apply a little bit of coconut oil or any kind of oil or Vaseline you want, and that easily just takes care of it. See? Easy. If you try to remove it without the Vaseline oil, the Vaseline or coconut oil or any kind of oil product, it is very hard. And I would not recommend it, because damage your lip. Okay, moving on. Next we are going to try Rebel. A little bit goes a long way, like I said. a little bit on the bottom lip, and then I just blend it out as needed. Now this one also, it is very bright. I would definitely wear this with a liner, maybe a plum liner, maybe even a red liner, sometimes a dark brown, but this one is Rebel. Gorgeous. Like this, but with a liner, yes. Last but not least, Black Currant, which is one of my favorite because it's just so dark and vampy and perfect for the fall. Okay, here we go. See that darkness? Gorgeous. A little bit. This one also, definitely a liner, but as you can see, gorgeous. Can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing when I'm wearing this. Nothing. Let me do a photo shoot for you already. Picture. Snaps. Snap. Gorgeous. Like I said, I would definitely wear this with a liner, but for now, still gorgeous. So those were all 3 colors. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you already own, and if you own any of the other ones, let me know. Maybe I'll try it, I don't know, but purples are just my thing. But thank you guys for watching, and enjoy your journey. Deuces. Let's take this one off. Like I said, a little bit of coconut oil again. Dab it on. Ooh, I kind of like that. Ooh, kill him. All the shenanigans that I do.